Imagine waking up to serene landscapes, breathing in fresh air, and knowing you're in the heart of Hyderabad's thriving community. Welcome to Sunshine Green Meadows, where modern living meets natural tranquility. Nestled in Bachupalli, this exquisite development by Sunshine Infra Private Limited offers meticulously designed 2 and 3 BHK apartments that promise not just a home but a lifestyle of comfort and convenience. Let's embark on a journey to explore what makes Sunshine Green Meadows the perfect place to call home. Strategically located at survey number 536 near HP Petrol Bunk, DPS Road, Baurampet Village, Bachupalli, North Hyderabad, Sunshine Green Meadows places you at the nexus of accessibility and serenity. Educational institutions, the esteemed The Creek Planet School, Venus Campus is just a 7-minute drive, 4.4 km away, ensuring top-tier education for your children. Healthcare facilities, quality medical care is within reach with Relief Hospital located 7 minutes, 4.3 km from your doorstep. Transportation hubs, commuting is a breeze with Miapur Metro Station, a mere 13-minute drive, 10.2 km away, connecting you seamlessly to the rest of Hyderabad. Shopping and dining. Indulge in retail therapy at Elite Commercial Complex 5 minute 3.8 km and savor culinary delights at Hotel S Grand 3 minute 1.4 km. Sunshine Green Meadows offers the perfect balance of urban connectivity and suburban peace, making it an ideal choice for families and professionals alike. Spanning 2.7376 acres, Sunshine Green Meadows is an architectural marvel comprising 4 buildings housing a total of 236 units. Configurations: choose from spacious 2 BHK apartments, 1168 square feet starting at 67.16 lakh and 3 BHK apartments, 1560 square feet priced at 89.7 lakh. RERA approved. Rest assured with the project's RERA ID ensuring transparency and reliability. Possession date: anticipate moving into your dream home by December 2025 with construction progressing steadily since its launch in May 2020. Each apartment is crafted with attention to detail, offering perfect ventilation and a lifestyle centered around open spaces, embodying the essence of modern living. At Sunshine Green Meadows, a plethora of amenities awaits to enrich your daily life. Recreation: enjoy a refreshing swim in the swimming pool, challenge friends at the cricket pitch, or engage in a game at the squash court. Fitness and wellness: stay active with a fully equipped gymnasium and embrace tranquility in the landscaping and tree plantation. Community spaces: host events in the community buildings and welcome guests in the elegant waiting lounge. Safety and convenience: benefit from 24/7 security, closed car parking, and fire fighting systems, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. These thoughtfully curated amenities are designed to cater to all age groups, fostering a vibrant and engaged community. Sunshine Infra Private Limited stands as a beacon of innovation and quality in Hyderabad's real estate landscape. With a commitment to excellence, they have delivered numerous prestigious projects, earning the trust of countless homeowners. Their core values, innovation, quality, trust, and collaboration, are evident in every endeavor, ensuring that each project is not just a structure but a sanctuary for its residents. Investing in Sunshine Green Meadows is not just about acquiring a home. It's about securing a prosperous future. Bachupalli's rapid development and strategic location have led to consistent property appreciation. With an average price of 5,750 per square feet, this project offers competitive pricing in a burgeoning locale. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or an astute investor, Sunshine Green Meadows presents an opportunity for substantial returns and a lifestyle of unparalleled quality. Your dream home is within reach at Sunshine Green Meadows. Experience the perfect blend of modern amenities, strategic location, and architectural brilliance. Don't miss this chance to be a part of a thriving community in Bachupalli. Schedule a site visit today and take the first step towards owning your dream home. Click the Contact Developer button on housing.com to get started. Sunshine Green Meadows, where your future shines bright.